Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show how to execute store procedure or call store procedure in OLE DB command transformation in SSIS. So in last video we discussed how to update the data from the source table by using OLE DB command transformation. Now in this video we will see how to execute the store procedure in OLE DB command as per the source document. So OLE DB command transformation is one of the transformations in data flow pane in SSIS. We can make the DML operations or store procedure by using OLE DBD and command transformation. This is apt for when your data source is in when your data source have very few records, but it is not suggestible to use OLDB command for larger data set files. So it will read data by each row from the source file that affects the performance of SSIS package while running. Uh, Without wasting the time, let's jump into the demo. So I have one table called EMP table where it contains 9 rows. Now I am creating one store procedure um, for deleting 2 records as per the source document. I have this comma separated text file which is having name and location Smith, Texas, Lakshman, Hyderabad. So the same details have um, in the employee table also. Now by writing the store procedure, uh, I want to delete Smith and Lakshman by taking the parameters from the source document. So this is my store procedure I created with the 2 input parameters and name and location. So Smith belongs to Texas, Lakshman belongs to Hyderabad. Um, so create procedure sp delete employee at name. This is my variable, and I am declaring data type. And, location is also variable. Data type is varchar. As begin, this is all syntax, but in the body of the store begin and end store procedure, delete from the employee table where a name is equal to my variable name and location at location. I am declared these two as variables. So after that, I am executing this store procedure in OLE DB command transformation in SSIS. Whether in SQL we directly provide 2 input variables here itself, like th comma Texas. If we execute this, mm, Smith will delete it automatically. But our intention to execute this execute procedure in SSIS package OLE DB command transformation. So this is my new package in control flow. I am dragging the data flow into the control pane. Double click to configure. My source is here, text document. So I am going to drag flat file source. Double click. We go new to browse the text document. EMP. So there is only two columns, 2 records are there. These 2 records, these 2 persons have deleted after executing the package. Name and location. So nothing there to change. Everything is perfect. Columns. No need to map manually. Now I am dragging the OLE DB command transformation. This is the OLE DB command transformation. Double click here. In connection manager, you have to connect the database. So here there is no database connection. So before going to be connected, we have to just right click here, delete the OLE DB command now. So I am connecting the new OLE DB destination. My server name is admin and my database is AdventureWorks. I am okay with the details. Okay. Now you would drag the OLE DB command transformation into the data flow task and get connected with the flash file source. Double click here. Earlier there is only file collection manager, flat file collection manager. Now after connecting the admin, our database table, it will appear. Now just click here, go to column mappings. So before that, you need to provide SQL statement here. So here under component properties, there is custom properties is there. In that custom properties, we execute this command, store procedure command in against SQL command by clicking this. So as we all know, in last video we have not provided any values here, just we provide two commas, two question marks, sorry, two question marks and get OK. Now we go to column mappings here. So this is very important. It is very important to know at the time of updation and deletion. Insertion is different from the store procedure parameters. So earlier, when you update or insert or deletion in destination available columns, you will find param underscore 0, param underscore 1, param underscore 2, like that, as per your logic and as per your input columns from the source file. Now you don't have that problem. If you here also we provide two input parameters, one is name and one is location. So if it is different from the update and delete and insert statement procedure, for after executing the same store procedure command, you will appear directly the columns here without having param uh, 0 param 1. Now you can directly map here from here itself. This is the major difference for store procedure and rest of the DML operations in OLE DB command. Click OK. Now what happened after running this query? Both Smith and Lakshman have been deleted from the employee table. Yeah, two rows from the source file are executed into the OLE DB command. Now it is 9 rows. After running this table, you will get 7 rows. Yes, 7 rows. Both Smith and Lakshman is not there in the table. This is how you have to execute the store procedure. You have to call the store procedure in OLE DB command source. Once again, I'm telling you, uh, store procedure is different from insert and update statements in OLE DB command. For insert and update statement, whenever you ran the query as per the logic in available destination columns, you find param1 and param2. As per your query logic, you have to map accordingly. But in case of store procedure, you directly get the column names. You directly map the column names from input to destination. This is how we have to call the store procedure for OLE DB command in SSIS package. Thanks for watching the video.